would describe tonight's game as?
Yeah, I mean, this is it's turned into a great rivalry between both teams here. It's a lot of fun. This is what you want to be a part of. So, I think we did a lot of good things tonight. Didn't come up with the result we wanted, but just one game.
Did you get a sense they were taking some liberties with Larkin especially, and maybe Zetterberg at the same time?
No, I mean, this is how the games are going to be. This is how playoff hockey is. Everyone's going to step their game up a level, and intensity is going to be taken to another level too. So I just think they're playing hard. We're playing hard. That's how it's going to be.